Oh, y'all real bold today. Yes, you can purchase a home in your 20s. And no, you don't have to be rich in order to do it. And no, you do not have to have a trust fund in order to make it happen. Let's talk about it. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is brianamcnear. I'm your favorite Middle Georgia realtor that you don't even know it yet. But I help people purchase their first home without going broke. If you're tired of paying rent and you want to make some grown-up moves, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. Listen, I get it. Home prices are high, interest rates are stressing everybody out, and let's be real, not everybody have rich auntie money. But there is a way to get you in your first home before the year over with. If you go by these plans, steps, and strategies that I'm about to reveal to you all, you will be in your home before the end of the year over with. Step number 1, build your credit score. I cannot stress this enough, y'all. Your credit score is your golden ticket. 620 or higher, you are in there. But just with a 580 credit score, you are eligible for a FHA loan. But you will have to put down a higher down payment. The higher the score, the better the rate, the lower your monthly payment will be. That is simple math, right? So here is some quick credit fixes. Please pay your bills on time, y'all. 2, keep your utilization rate under 30%. And not only that, don't go open up all these credit cards, y'all. Just chill. Here goes step number 2. Low to no down payment loans. This is where people get it misconstrued, thinking that you need a 20% down. You guys, just with the FHA loan, you only need a 3.5% down. And if you're in a rural area, my Middle Georgia folks, with the USDA loan, you only need 0% down. And if you're military, that requirement as well is 0% down. Yeah, I forgot to mention this, but with just a 640 credit score, this is why your credit score has to be top tier. But with just a 640 credit score, your down payment can be covered as well. So take note of that. It's step number 3, y'all. Take advantage of first-time home buyer programs, y'all. I don't know if y'all know, but here in Georgia, there is free money for first-time home buyers, y'all. There is a program called the Georgia Dream Home Ownership Program where they will put $7,500 down towards down payment assistance. If there is free money available, y'all, why not take it? Why leave it on the table? Take advantage. Here goes step number 4, y'all. Boost your income with side hustles. Now, if your 9 to 5 ain't cutting it, man, get creative. Uber, DoorDash, freelance, sell some stuff online, y'all. And I don't even want to hear the excuse. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to do it. Man, go to YouTube University. YouTube University, whatever it is that you're trying to do, and that will help you get that down payment faster. Go to YouTube. Everything is available to us. Or ChatGPT, y'all. No more excuses. Get to work. Step number 5. House hacking. I don't know if y'all even knew about this, but this is a game changer. Let's say that you purchase a home with extra rooms and you decide to let someone rent out the extra rooms. Boom, your mortgage is covered. Let's say that your mortgage is $1,200 a month. And in those extra rooms, you can get somebody to rent it out for $600 each. Man, look who living mortgage free. That's you. Y'all, all you need is a strategy and a plan, and you in there. Step number 6, y'all. Buy smart. I'm gonna need for y'all to start looking at 500K homes in Atlanta, y'all. Purchase home in affordable areas like Macon, Dublin, Warner Robins, in rural areas in Middle Georgia. Y'all need to stop trying to live like the Joneses. And think smarter and move smarter. And not only that, in those areas in Middle Georgia, the sellers are more willing to negotiate. Just a pro tip, using a good realtor me to negotiate with the sellers to pay some of your closing costs, and this will save you thousands upfront. I know that all may seem impossible, y'all, especially if you're dealing with student loans and you have such a tight budget at this time. But there is always a way, y'all. With the right plan, with the with having a side hustle, with just being patient with the process, it is all doable, y'all. Don't overthink it. There is always a way. There is always a way. So it's really just all about knowing where to start, and that is what I'm here to help you with. If this video helped you realize how home ownership is possible, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And if you're serious about purchasing a home here in Georgia, please don't be afraid to reach out to me. Please reach out to me on Instagram, DM Home, and I'll be sure to get back with you as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified. And hope to see you all next time.